Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we have a fine motor and messy play activity called Rescue the Dinosaur.
Welcome back. Welcome back. We're doing this, and we're gonna tip, and we're gonna put in the ice. Oh, so cool! Wait, they get to this.
So, how does it feel?
Cold.
Aura, how does your ice feel?
Warm.
Warm? And now you're going to try and melt it using your droppers. What are you doing, Aura?
We are just making melted go off. The water's not
Are you going to try and rescue the dinosaur?
Yeah.
Yes. Using what?
With the paintbrush.
And?
I don't know.
And that's your dropper.
Dropper?
Yes. You're going to try and squeeze.
Oh, yeah.
The water's a bit warm.
It's cold.
It's cold. Do you need help?
I need to put this in.
Yeah, try and squeeze.
Can I have some? Can I have some big one? Like him.
Yeah, I'll show you. Okay. Ready? You try and squeeze. Look, Aura. Look.
Oh, yeah.
And then you try.
It's coming out.
Good job, Aura.
It's coming out.
Who will rescue their dinosaur first?
Me.
You? Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Wait.
This is a fun and stimulating motor activity for toddlers and preschoolers that involves placing water inside a tub with your preferred toy and placing it in the freezer to set, then asking your child to help rescue their toy.
Come on. Thank you. Wait a minute.
Gonna paint it? Good job.
It can't. It's coming out. It's coming out.
Oh, I think Aura's winning.
No, not winning. It's coming out. It's coming out. Maybe it's coming out. Look, it got.
Melting. Oh, look at Lorelei's one. Look at Lorelei's dinosaur.
Will we help you? Nope. Here, put it a little bit, and get your paintbrush. Get your paintbrush and pull it out. Pull it out. Yep. No, I don't want to pull it out.
She's trying to melt it.
Well, still not melting again. It's not saved.
It's not saved yet. Maybe you need a bit more water.
Oh, poppiness. Look, I show you. Pop.
They make a popping sound.
Yeah. Oh, mine's still done.
Alright girls, can you say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching. I need more. I want to fill up right there. I'm gonna melt the ice, and then I just tip it the ice.
You took the ice out. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to break it?
She's trying to save her little...
Ah! Oh. Ice.
Is it hot?